Are you trying to decide between TradingView and NinjaTrader for your trading journey? Do you feel overwhelmed by the sheer number of platforms out there, each promising to be the ultimate solution? Well, you're not alone. Choosing the right trading platform is a critical decision, one that can significantly impact your efficiency, analysis, and ultimately, your trading success. Today, we're diving deep into a head-to-head battle between two of the most popular trading platforms in the market, TradingView and NinjaTrader. Both offer powerful tools, but they cater to different needs and trading styles. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of which platform might be the perfect fit for you, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out. Let's begin with TradingView. If you've spent any time at all looking at charts online, chances are you've come across TradingView. It's famous for its sleek, intuitive interface and its web-based accessibility. You can literally access your charts from any device with a browser, a huge plus for traders on the go or those who prefer Mac operating systems, as NinjaTrader is primarily Windows-based. TradingView excels in its charting capabilities. It offers a vast array of chart types, indicators, and drawing tools. What truly sets it apart is its social aspect. TradingView boasts a massive, active community where traders share ideas, strategies, and custom indicators written in PineScript. This makes it an incredible resource for learning, discovering new trading approaches, and getting inspired by other traders. For beginners, this community support and ease of use can be invaluable, making the initial learning curve far less steep. You can also connect TradingView to a wide range of brokers, allowing you to trade directly from your charts. However, TradingView isn't without its limitations. While its free version offers basic charting, advanced features like more alerts, multiple charts, and deeper historical data are locked behind paid subscriptions, which can add up. Also, while PineScript is user-friendly, it can be restrictive for complex algorithmic strategies or integrating external data sources. Some users also report performance issues and delays, particularly during peak market hours. Now, let's shift our focus to NinjaTrader. If you're serious about futures trading, algorithmic strategies, and deep customization, NinjaTrader has likely been on your radar. It's a robust, desktop-based platform, primarily designed for Windows users, offering a truly powerful and customizable trading experience. NinjaTrader shines when it comes to advanced order management, strategy automation, and backtesting. Its advanced trade management (ATM) strategies allow for sophisticated entry and exit automation without needing to write a single line of code. For those who do code, NinjaTrader supports C#, offering far more flexibility and power for developing custom indicators and complex trading systems than TradingView's PineScript. Its backtesting capabilities are highly regarded among systematic traders, allowing for thorough testing and optimization of strategies before risking real capital. NinjaTrader also boasts exceptionally low commissions for futures contracts, making it an attractive option for active futures traders. On the flip side, NinjaTrader has a steeper learning curve. Its interface, while powerful, can be overwhelming for new traders. While there's a free version for charting and simulation, full trading functionality and advanced features often require a paid license or specific brokerage services. Mac users will need to run extra software to use it. And while it integrates with some brokers, its range isn't as broad as TradingView's. So, which one is better? It truly depends on your individual needs and trading style. If you're a beginner looking for an intuitive, web-based platform with excellent charting, a vibrant community, and broad broker integration, TradingView is likely your best bet. It's a fantastic place to learn, share, and visualize the markets. However, if you're an experienced trader, especially in futures, who values deep customization, advanced algorithmic trading, robust backtesting, and powerful order management, NinjaTrader is the clear winner. It's built for precision, automation, and a highly tailored trading environment. Interestingly, it's worth noting that NinjaTrader has recently integrated with TradingView, allowing users to send orders to NinjaTrader Web directly from TradingView charts. While this offers some convenience, it doesn't provide the full automation capabilities of NinjaTrader's desktop platform. Ultimately, both platforms are excellent in their respective niches. The better platform is the one that aligns most closely with your trading goals, experience level, and preferred asset classes. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.